guys, welcome back. Here for another video. I'm going to be getting the X5 tow ready. That's right, I'm getting it. Decided to get some tow mirrors, mainly because, you know, with these little mirrors here, I highly doubt they're going to be able to see around a camper. So, and I was looking for some other ones. I had them in my cart on Amazon. And unfortunately, I dragged my feet a little bit too long and missed out on them. And the other ones I tried to order were also ordered. I mean, it seems like everything for this trip that I've been trying to order has been either sold out. So I'm glad I got a lot of things ahead of time. I ordered life vests, things like that. I reserved the campsite, reserved the boat, things like that for this next trip. But yeah, it just seems, I mean, ever since COVID, things just run out all the time. I cannot order something. Or it seems like when I try to order something, it's gone, or they're running out. Like the last three. So hopefully these work out. You know, they may vibrate. I'm not sure yet. Hopefully they fit. That's my main issue. And a few other things I got for this. Ordered another hitch ball. It's a 2/5/16. This is more like it's going to fit more of a RV trailer. It's a slightly bigger ball, and it's made specifically for the stealth hitch. I ordered a 7 US, which is, you know, a little bit have more of a rise on it. I may or may not need that, but I thought I'd grab it just in case. I said, you know, this is first time me towing an RV. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to put this piece on it too. This is an anti-sway, so hopefully this can go in, and then I'll have a sway here using this little ball here. And then for trailer brake control, someone recommended me to try the Kurt Echo, so we're gonna see how that works out. This is all app-based, Bluetooth enabled. I'm hoping that works okay. I got the Echo and, of course, the sway control from E-Trailer, and this part from Stealth Hitch, the mirrors from Amazon. So let me get it all together here. I'm not sure, they may be too high. It really depends on the shape of the RV. If I pick this RV up and then it's not the same, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough room for that sway piece. I'll try. So I stopped wasting my time also. You know, like I said, the first time I went to U-Haul and I didn't put my washer on right. I did buy the right tool. So I bought a socket. This is a 1.5 inch socket. This fits the nut perfectly. So it jumps right in there. Just for putting that on. And of course, it's just an adjustable wrench. And hopefully this should, yes. Wide open, it barely fits in there. Well, long story short, I had to go without this piece. Unfortunately, the shank was just too short. When I had it in there, it left much play. I tried to force it, but when I tried to force it, I am nearly cross-threaded my ball for the stealth. So I was like, you know what, I'll go to the parts store, I'll find one. I found one at Home Depot. This has a 3-inch shank, would have been perfect. And even then there was still a tiny bit of play, and I was like, I can make it work. But I look at this, the ball capacity is 6,000 pounds. The trailer itself, I want to say, is around 59 to 6,000 pounds. I was like, you know, I'm pushing it. I don't know what happens if you get the wrong ball on here, but this one's rated 8. I'd rather just have this one and deal out the anti-sway. I'll see how it goes. if I get excessive sway, I'm going to pull over and just take it slow. So we'll go from there. Let's get the mirrors on, and next thing will be the trailer brake controller. So I found the mirrors, Amazon. They clip in right here, and then you ratchet it back here. It's got it padded so it doesn't, I mean, I got film on the back of the mirror, so I'm not too worried about that. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna tighten them obviously before the trip, and then we'll make sure that there's any vibration. I'll get them adjusted. Let's make sure they work, test fit. Now, when you get these out of the box, it's just gonna give you the straps separately. You gotta connect them like this. So, what I'm gonna do, all you do is just hook on each piece. Squeeze this in a little bit. Spread it, and then you'll be able to adjust the straps as needed. So, unfortunate news. The campsite we're supposed to go to, I had a campsite and a boat reservation because it was near a lake, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to rent the camper, rent the boat, decide, you know, if we want to make a purchase like that to try them out. I was really looking forward to it. My kids were looking forward to it, and we had to cancel it. There was a fire. You know, of course, you know, the whole West Coast is on fire, and it seemed to magnify. Actually, after I had just prepped the car, the very next day after I shot this video, I got an email from the marina. I saw it on news also that the fire nearby. Coming in? All right, am I coming in? The fire nearby got out of control. At one point, it was like 37% contained, but now it's out of control again. It started to spread pretty fast near the campsite. They had to evacuate, so I got refunded on reservations. Even the gentleman that I rented the RV from, he actually texted me before I texted him and said, "Look, looks like there's a fire where you're going." You know, I'm sure you're probably looking out for his interests of his property too, but he's like, you know, I'm willing to refund your money too, if you know. So I tried to look for a different site, a place to go. I really wanted to film me towing this thing. I'm sure people are out there who want to know, how does X5 tow with these campers? This was going to be a Shadow Cruiser 2400 BHS, and I think the dry weight was like 5,500 pounds. I think his weight was like 6,000 pounds. Gross weight was just under what the towing weight of the max towing weight of the X5 with the stealth hitch, but his hitch weight was I believe it was like 550. It was just where I needed to be, you know, for the weight, because when you look at these campers, the hard part is trying to find, you might find something that's when the tow weight rating, but it's too heavy on the tongue, and the X5, it seems like it doesn't have a lot of capacity for the tongue weight. I don't know, disappointing. It seems like with, you know, between all this going on, you know, with the COVID, you know, this, you know, the fact everything shutting down, you know, the pandemic, everything. I mean, I just can't do anything. I mean, you know, we've already moved our wedding, postponed that, couldn't have our wedding. And now that we have to move this whole trip, I thought that's would have been perfect. We can go camping. That's at least something we can do. Now we couldn't do that because then there was nowhere for me to go. Like I said, the whole West Coast is on fire. And it was bad. I mean, that morning, actually in the middle of the day, I looked up at my watch, and you could see the sky looked like it was nighttime. It was really eerie looking. It looked like it was night, because there was so much smoke covering the sun. So guys, I'm sorry. I told some people, hey, look out for a video in September, me towing a camper. I'm not going to be able to make that video. I'm not sure when I could be able to do it because, like I said, things are just on fire, and I don't know when I'll be able to get out again. But we'll see. I'm gonna try. You know, we'll see how it happens with the feature.